Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a reading for career, health, finances and love also. But the love videos I will do separately as well in detail. So this is a reading from 1st of September till 30th of September. Okay, so let's start your career reading. So Scorpio, how your career is going to be if you are in business? Okay, let's pull one card for your business, Scorpio. How's your business life going to be? Page of Wands. I'm getting a lot of Page of Wands for everybody in business here right now. I feel like after the COVID thing is finally settling down, you guys are going to restart. Okay, Scorpio, in your case as well, I feel like Page of Wands is some kind of message or some kind of green shit or some kind of uh, what should I say, a restart is coming towards you, and this is going to be very passionate. You got an idea and finally you are going to work on that, and finally you are going to get the finances or a positive answer from the person you are dealing with, whomsoever you are connected with for the business thing. But yes, this is a very positive start in your business. It's just a start. Okay, I can't say you are going to thrive in your business and you are going to really do great in your business right now. No, I'm not saying that. But yes, it is some kind of restart. It is some kind of beautiful message that is coming towards you and positivity coming towards you regarding your business. That's going to make you feel like, yeah, now finally I'm on the right track. Cool. Let's see if you're doing some kind of job. How is your environment or energy going to be if you're in job? Let's see. King of Pentacles, nice. You are going to feel stable in your job environment. You are going to feel like finally I'm going to save. Finally I am financially stable in my life. Finally I got the job that I always dreamt of. Okay, so you are doing good in your job environment. You are feeling positive. You are saving money. Now finally you are starting to save your money. Now finally everything is going according to you. Now finally you are happy in your job environment and you are feeling like, yeah, I'm doing great in my life, I'm doing great in my job, and I will soon become something good in life, something in life. Okay, this is your feeling regarding your job life in September. Cool. Let's see how's your health going to be in September, Scorpios. Your health, how's your health going to be in September? Let's see. Let's see how's your health going to be. I'll pull two cards for you guys. Okay. Oh, emotional stress. This is 8 of cups, this is 5 of cups. You are constantly in emotional stress, constantly regretting something, constantly missing something. You are not emotionally stable at all. Scorpio, you are anyway very sensitive people because you're water sign, and right now you're not able to deal with the situation. In September I feel like you're going to feel some kind of loss, some kind of feeling of like somebody's walking away or you walked away from somebody or the relationship doesn't work out, or this is some kind of loss that you're dealing with regarding your love life or regarding your relationship life, Scorpio, and that's going to take a toll on your health as well. Take a toll on your health as well. You are going to feel emotionally under very much stress, that might be you're feeling like mentally sick, might be you're feeling like I'm not emotionally stable at all, I need to take a break or something like that. I just have to be stable in my life, emotionally stable in my life, and you're not able to do that. So to do that, I am telling you a meditation. Please start doing that. That is Ho'oponopono meditation. That I feel like I recommend this to every of my client, whether they are going through some kind of relationship problem or mental problem or physical problem or professional problem, anything that's going to clear the ways for you. Okay, so please start doing that. You are going to come out of this state. Okay, you are feeling some kind of loss and you are not at all emotionally stable. Emotional health, you have to deal with the emotional health part of yours. Physically I feel like you will be okay, but emotionally, because you're emotionally so much drained and in regret or some kind of loss right now, you are going to feel physically down. Okay, so you have to take care of your emotional health, Scorpio, in September. How's your finances looking in September? Let's see, Scorpios, your finances in September. How's your finances looking in September, sweetie? Chariot, successful. This is card of success and victory. I feel like you did something in the past, might be savings or some kind of investment or some kind of mutual fund or something like that, finally you are going to get good returns out of that. Okay, and that's a card of success and victory. So you are going to feel like, yeah, I took the right decision at the right time in the past. Now I am getting the success. Now I'm getting some good rewards out of my investments, or out of my planning, whatever you did in the past. Now you're going to get good results, reap the rewards of the past in this investments. Okay, in finances. Let's pull one more card. High Priestess. Okay, although you are going to get good success in your life regarding your finances, you are going to get good return of your money, you will be silent. You will be silent, and there will be more planning and plotting, and you will be like, yeah, I will see what I can do next regarding my finances. You just have to take a deep breath. You just have to relax. Out of this successful financial gain that you're getting, I feel like you will be in that phase of mind, like, now what next, now what should I do to make it more better. Okay, you will take a break from the outside world and think about your financial future, because I feel like might be you are reconnecting or connecting with somebody new in your life, and you just want to have a stable life. So that's why you will think about this, and this is a very good thing. Contemplation is a very good thing. Okay, and I feel like you are going to hide your financial status or your financial things from your family or from your partner or from everybody around you, because you will be silent regarding your finances. And it's a personal decision. If you don't want to reveal it to anybody, it's okay, it's your free will, right? Cool. This is how your financial life is going to be in September. Let's see about your love life. I will do the love reading as usual, in detail, in the coming videos for you guys. Now I'm just checking the energy for you. Love. Scorpio, if you are in love with somebody, sorry, I have to, God, I just give me a second. Ooh. If you're single, let's see what will be your energy. If you are single, what will be your energy? Ace of Wands. Some kind of sexual intercourse or some kind of sexual relationship is coming towards you, and I feel like you're going to just have fun. This is like a brand new start of something. This is the Ace of Wands. But I feel like most of you, I feel like it is just a fling and it will pass. You will feel very, very passionate about this connection. You will have a very good time with this particular person, whomsoever you are going to connect with. But again, I feel like it's not going anywhere. Yeah, it's just a physical connection that you are going to feel, or that you are going to do with this person. Let's see if you are in a relationship already. Let's see. King of Wands. Anyway, you are going to have sex. If you are single, then also you are going to get the opportunity to do that. If you are able, if you are like, um, if you are okay with that, you can do that. If the energies are present here. But if you're in a relationship, you are going to have a very good time in bed. Okay, sexually, I can see you guys, you and your partner are going to have a really good time with each other, and you are going to love it. You will finally be at that state of mind, like, okay, let's restart, let's be together again, and you guys going to enjoy. So obviously I will do an separate reading for love, and but this is just an energy, that the energy of sexual energy, sexual desire is very high in September for you guys. Now it's your free will, and be cautious while dealing with a new person. You might catch some kind of STD or something, so just be cautious. Precaution is better than I don't know what the cure. Okay, yes, cool. So thank you so much, Scorpio, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video for love and relationship. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye.